Today we are celebrating the World Maritime Day. World Maritime Day was initiated by the UN body IMO. IMO is the International Maritime Organization. For those who are not familiar with various IMO bodies, UN bodies, one of them is like the World Health Organization. So similarly for merchant navy and all related fields, the IMO is the UN governing body. So for celebrating or sort of focusing on the seamen, the seafarers and all the maritime trade, UN has initiated this initiative of the World Maritime Day, which is celebrated every last week of the Thursday of every last week of September every year. And this is celebrated all throughout in all the shipping companies, all shipping academies and various other platforms wherever they are promoting seafarer welfare as well as the maritime industry in general. We at Manet are also participating in some programs by the CMMI, that is the Company of Master Mariners of India, where our cadets are presenting their papers this weekend of this year's theme. This year's World Maritime Day theme is Our Ocean, Our Obligation and Our Opportunity, which is also emphasizing on green energy and the future of maritime with respect to clean fuel and in general the protection of environment. So from all of us at Manet, I wish all of you all the best for the World Maritime Day.
Good afternoon everyone. I, Cadet Nikhil Jagde,
And I, Cadet Naivilya,
wish you all a happy World Maritime Day. The theme for the World Maritime Day is Our Oceans, Our Obligation and Our Opportunities. As we all know that the shipping industry plays a vital role in the global trade and global supply chain.
we here at Manet are trained to take the legacy forward.
On occasion of Maritime Day, on honoring the dedication of all the seafarers, I wish everybody a very happy Maritime Day. May you have a very calm sea and bon voyage to all. And go to all the places which you have only dreamed of and bring proud to all the Indians.
So today is a Thursday, the last Thursday of September month. An International Maritime Organization has declared this day of each year to be celebrated for World Maritime Day. Basically, it brings around the awareness about the shipping industry, the ships, the people working on the ships. And this year's theme, as declared by IMO, is Our Oceans, Our Obligations and Our Responsibility towards this very interesting method of trading. It is said that 80% of the world trade takes place by the ships, and the awareness should be brought about mainly regarding the safety. The ship should be able to run safely without any incident, without any accidents. And our obligation to this wonderful sea is that we should not cause any pollution and preserve it as much as we can for the next generations to come. Many training institutes like Maharashtra Academy of Naval Education and Training, popularly known as Manet, we celebrate this World Maritime Day, and the Company of Master Mariners of India, the Institute of Marine Engineers and Indian Maritime Foundation, they are some of the organizations from Pune, and they are going to celebrate it on 27th, and the cadets from this institute will participate in that, and they will be giving speeches, they will be writing papers, all that. All this effort is towards bringing about the overall awareness regarding this shipping industry.
Manet, established in 2001, will be completing 25 years in November 2025 and known for excellence in maritime training. I wish everyone a happy Maritime Day, and let's celebrate this day to honor the contributions by all seafarers.
The theme is not just global, it resonates with us here at Manet. As future seafarers, we are not only responsible for the upcoming life of great cadets, in fact, we are also responsible for the greatest opportunities we get on the sea. And this responsibility excels us to high tides and high sails.
Our cadets are not consistently only placed in leading shipping companies, but also leading the maritime sector and sailing through it.
Not only this, we have one of the finest infrastructures and the greatest shipping sport we have for the abroad shipping companies. Apart from that, with the magnificent ship labs, shipping campus and maritime leaders and excellence we get from them is beyond the horizon.
I, Cadet Shavri More,
And I, Cadet Yuvraj Sharma, wish you all a very happy Maritime Day.
This World Maritime Day, the theme of our ocean, our obligation, our opportunities, highlights the crucial role of ocean in global economy, global empowerment, liveliness and climate regulations, while emphasizing maritime industry's responsibility to protect it and the opportunities for sustainable development and innovation in the maritime industry. At MANET, Maharashtra Academy of Naval Education and Training, the constituent unit of MIT Art, Design and Technology University, we are firmly committed for these obligations and opportunities, and we proudly celebrate our 25th year of establishment, a silver jubilee year in this very year, and we equally committed for all these opportunities and obligation. Once again, happy World Maritime Day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.